SQL and Tableau are both powerful tools used in data analysis and reporting, but they serve different purposes and are often used together to get the best results. What do SQL and Tableau do? SQL is like a superpower for managing and querying data stored in databases. You can use it to retrieve, insert, update, or delete data. However, creating reports with SQL can be challenging and might not be very user-friendly, especially if you're new to it. Tableau. Tableau is a tool designed specifically for creating visual reports, charts, and dashboards. It's user-friendly and doesn't require any coding. Tableau is mainly used for reporting and visualizing data, making it easier to understand trends and insights. Comparison with an example. Imagine you want to find the total sales for the North region. With SQL, you would write a simple query like this. Select sum, sales, from sales_data, where region equals North. The result would be a table or text that shows the total sales number. With Tableau, you can connect your data, drag and drop the necessary fields, and instantly create a visual chart or dashboard. This visual output makes it much easier to interpret and understand the data. Key differences. SQL allows you to perform complex data operations, like inserting or updating records. The output is usually text-based tables, which can be harder to interpret. Tableau specializes in visualizing data, so you can see trends and patterns at a glance. Requires no coding, making it accessible even to beginners. Conclusion. SQL is excellent for extracting and manipulating data from databases, while Tableau is perfect for visualizing and interacting with that data. When used together, SQL can handle the heavy data processing, and Tableau can turn that processed data into easy-to-understand visuals. This combination is powerful for anyone involved in data analysis and reporting. Stay connected for more in-depth understanding of both SQL and Tableau and how we can achieve same using both, but how easy and beautiful it can be with Tableau.